Survive unemployment. Today's economic crisis has caused many companies go out of business. Prices have increased and a lot of people have lost their jobs. The domino effect has certainly surprised all levels of society. Coping can be very hard and you need to make drastic adjustments in your life in order to survive. That is the challenge that you have to endure and overcome. But the question still stands: how exactly can you survive unemployment? Read on to learn more. Stay calm. It is of vital importance that you do not, under any circumstances, panic. Panicking will not help you in any way. It will make your mind go crazy with worry, and it is also not good for your health. This will cripple you from moving forward because it will bring you unnecessary fear. If you are on the verge of panicking, stop and rest for a bit. Take deep breaths until your heartbeat returns to its steady rhythm. Never dwell on the negative. One of the things that you might feel when you have fully realized that you do not have a job anymore is depression. Once you allow yourself to be consumed with this very dark emotion, there is a possibility that you may never get out of the stupor that you are currently in. You can easily avoid this by not lingering on what happened. Remember, economic depression is not your fault. Move on by immediately going to the next step. Focus and think hard. Now that you have full control of yourself, it is essential that you start prioritizing the things that you need to do. You cannot afford to be a scatterbrain. You need to start thinking about how you are going to secure your future. Start organizing your thoughts and think of the important things that you need to cover, like your expenses and the like. Reassess your financial status. Make sure that you check your bank account. Minimize your spending sprees. It is now time for you to be frugal. You are unemployed, and it is important that you do not waste your money on things that you don't really need. Being broke is the last thing that you want to become in a grave situation such as this one. It is quite astonishing to know that these main key points can help you turn your life around completely. The most important thing that you need to remember is that you have to be consistent in carrying out these steps all the time. This will greatly help you in overcoming your problem in no time. Be very patient in everything that you do. You also have to accept that some sacrifices are inevitable, so you might as well go on with it for the betterment of your life. Think big and never lose hope. After all, this is not something that you will experience for the rest of your life. Now what are you waiting for? Go out there and start walking to your bright and sunny future. Good luck.